So we actually pre-salted all of our parking lots, our driveways, and many of our sidewalks Monday evening, and then came back Tuesday morning.
It was a snow day for city school students, but there was lots of work being done on the grounds.
When those decisions are made, 2-hour delay, close what it is really made with a full team effort and with the safety of the staff and students in mind, and a lot goes into that process. It's not arbitrary at all.
Crews got to work plowing, salting, and shoveling at Poly before sunrise. It's a big job that Scott Washington, Executive Director of Facilities, says takes a lot of planning, communication, and coordination.
Probably about 30 pieces of equipment that we actually have out on all the different sites, but the bottom line, I think, is we have over 160 buildings to maintain. We have 4 regions that they're broken into, so we'll be out all day long.
Michael Hawkins drives the salt and plow truck, and after 24 years says he has snow emergencies down to a science.
I definitely have a passion for what I do, help out the community, help the kids out.
In North Baltimore, I'm Janine Donaldson for WBAL TV 11 News.